Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to install the Angular or how to prepare the Angular setup to start writing an Angular project or Angular application. So to write an Angular application or Angular 8 or like whatever version of Angular 8, we just need few things. What do we need? First of all, we need AngularJS. We'll talk about what is AngularJS very soon. And then we'll learn how to install Angular CLI. CLI is a command line interface, just like our command prompt, but it has got its own set of commands. And then we'll talk about an IDE that can be used to write the program or to create the application or the project. Okay, now let's talk about, first we'll talk about how to install Node.js. So what do you have to do for that? First of all, you go to the official website of Node.js. So we'll go to the Google Chrome first here. Here's my Google Chrome. You can open your own browser, whatever you have, maybe IE or Mozilla. So what you do, just type Node.js and hit enter. Now the first here, the topmost URL link is node.js, node.js org. Click on this. This is the official website of Node.js. Now here you can see there are two versions to download. One is 10.16.3 LTS and another one is the latest one, which is 12.12.0, which is the current version having latest feature. But here we'll talk about the stable release. We are going to download the stable release 10.16.3. Okay. But before we go and download the Node.js, we'll first talk about what is Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Okay, before this, let's see, first of all, like if you guys are familiar with Java, in Java we have something called JRE, Java Runtime Environment, which provides all the necessary supports or functionalities to run a Java code. Similar to JRE, we have something called JavaScript Runtime Environment. Similar to JRE, here we have Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment. Basically, it provides an environment to run the JavaScript code. Okay, so this is about Node.js. Now, Node.js is based on what? It's based on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Okay, I know that you guys are familiar that every browser like IE, Internet Explorer, or Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome, every browser has its own JavaScript engine. I think if we talk about, let me Google, let's type here JavaScript engine versus browsers. Let's click here, Quora. Okay, here you see Google's V8 is a JavaScript engine. So our Node.js is based on V8 engine of Google Chrome's V8 engine. And then we have SpiderMonkey. So this is the, what do you call this, JavaScript engine of Mozilla, right? And then we have something called Karma, that is the JavaScript engine of IE, Internet Explorer. Okay, so basically Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment to run the JavaScript code. Okay, now let's go and click download the stable release of Node.js. Click here, it will download a exe file. I'll go and copy this file in my setup folder. I already have here, that's okay. I'll just replace the existing one just to show you guys. Here, let's go and open this folder. So here is, I have downloaded my exe file. Now it's here. Now what you have to do is just double click on this and then it will install the Node.js in your machine. Prepare to install. Just keep on clicking next, and then you are done. I'm not going to install it again because I already have Node.js installed on my machine. So once you are done with the next and click on finish, Then there is a way to verify. So I'm just going to cancel this one for now because I already have on my machine. Cancel, yes, finish. So once you are done with this next thing and clicked on finished, come here and type node. So here is Node.js command prompt. Click. Okay, so this window is Node.js command prompt. Maybe the font size is not that much great, so I'm just going to increase the font size. Now we'll see whether we have Node.js installed or not. Node-v to identify the Node version. Say if we are done with the successful installation, this command will give you the version of Node.js which you have installed. If there is a problem, you won't get the version number here. Click. So it says Node.js installed on my machine is version number 10.16.3, which you can verify with this 10.16.3 LTS. So it means we have successfully installed Node.js in our machine. Exit. So we are done with the first part. We have installed Node.js, which is a runtime environment to run the JavaScript code. Now what we need Angular CLI. Angular CLI from the official website of Angular. So now let's go back to the Chrome again, open a new tab, and let's go to the Google and type here Angular, Angular CLI, and hit enter. This one. So this is the official website of Angular, https://cli.angular.io. Click here. Now, this is the official website of Angular CLI, and it says how to install Angular CLI in your machine. So what you have to do is, first of all, you need this one. You need to run this command, npm install -g @angular/cli to install the Angular in your machine. So for this, what we have to do is we'll go back and open the Node.js command prompt, this window here. Okay, now we'll type the very first command, npm install -g. npm stands for Node Package Manager. So it's a manager who is responsible for installation of all the necessary files and folders for you guys, or all the necessary required code or libraries. Now npm install -g. -g stands for global. Either you can write global or you can write the alias -g as well. Both will work fine. But for now, we are using the same command, whatever is mentioned here. npm install -g. @ is Angular, because we are going to install the Angular and what? CLI. Now, this command will install. If you want the latest version, you can also type latest to get the latest version of CLI. But for now, we are just using the exact command, whatever command is here. npm install -g @angular CLI. So this is not my command. This command is from the official website of Angular. Hit enter. So I think this will take a couple of minutes. I won't say a minute, it will be quick, maybe less than a minute. And this command will install. I already have on my machine, but yeah, it will update my existing command. Remove one package and update 15 packages in this much time. So I think we are done. So let's see how can I verify that we have Angular installed or Angular CLI installed in the machine. So for that, I think there should be a way, Angular-v, to find out the version nodes. So 1 second. Let's type npm-v. Okay. So this is Node Package Manager installed here. Now to verify whether you are done with this, how can you, let me clear this one, CLS, clear. So this my command prompt is my Node.js command prompt. Now I'm going to execute the same commands which are mentioned, which is here. So first of all, what I will do is I'll go and create some folders, Angular, try it out. Okay. So I'll go to a folder which is there on my desktop. Now what I will do is I will create a new, okay, I'm going to install, okay, 1 second, let me come back here. So friends, actually I'm running out of time, so I'm not going to create the project in this video. I'm going to create the next video and I will put the link in the comment section. In the next video, we'll run these commands to create our first Angular application, and we'll run that application in the next video. So guys, don't forget to watch my next video. That video will be the very important one, and you will learn how to create the very first project in Angular. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the next video. Bye for now.